Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to remind you about a contest coming up that I think is really going to be fun. It was Darren's idea, actually. We are offering a prize, and all you have to do is show a doll or dolls dressed or on the beach or anything summer with your Christmas decorations, showing an Australian Christmas. I have Roman dressed here. I cut the sleeves off his Santa coat and added green swimming trunks. He's ready to go to the beach for Christmas after he opens his gifts. That's all you have to do is show us a doll. Here's how it works. We need a 15-second video from you sent to Darren email. The email address will be in the description. 15 seconds long. You don't have to put any music on it. In fact, we don't want you to. We want them all the same. No wording about your channel or anything like that, because Darren is going to add everybody's the same. So your channel will get an actual commercial on our channel with a prize. Now Darren and I are going to choose our favorite one between us, and we will contact you, and it can be anywhere in the world. We need those videos by December 15th. Just 15 seconds. You don't even have to talk. Send those to Darren by December 15th, and this will be aired on December 19th. We will also link your channel in the description below, so that not only can people see all your cute things in our video, but they can get they'll see the link and come to your channel and perhaps subscribe, like, and comment, which I'd like for you to do here on this video.